Welcome to Falcon Excel Academy. I am, as always, Vijay. Today, I am going to teach you about Excel 2021. Today, we will talk about sort, filter text to columns, flash fill, remove duplicates, and data validation. As always, before starting the lecture, I would like to say that if you learn something or try something new from today's video, please make sure to like and share this video. So let's start today's lecture. First of all, we will talk about sort. If you want to sort the data here, if you have selected only one column, like I have selected one column here and want to sort it, then you need to click on sort here. After clicking on sort, you will click on continue with current selection. And when you click on sort, a sort dialog box will open in front of you. Now, after that, you need to see which category you have here, whether it's roll number or cell value. After that, if you want to sort from smallest to largest or from largest to smallest, you will click here. And when you click, you will see the data arranged from largest to smallest value. And then if you have multiple columns, like here I have selected all the data. After selecting, when we click on sort here, this dialog box will open in front of you. In sort by, you need to select whatever columns you have selected, all their records will appear here. We want to sort by name here, and after that, leave it as cell values. Then here you will click on Z to A, and when you click, you will see the data is sorted from Z to A. Similarly, if you want to sort by color, you need to click on sort. After clicking on sort, we will select name here, and then whichever category has the color applied, you need to select that category here. Then after that, we click here on cell color, and after selecting cell color, you need to select the color here. For example, if we want to bring the green color to the top, then click on top. As soon as you click, you will see that the data has been sorted and the green color is now at the top. So in this way, we can also sort data. And now we are going to learn the next command about applying filters. If you want to sort data by city or then by subject name or roll number, first select your heading like this or select the entire table and then click on filter. As soon as we click on filter, you can see that the filter has been applied here. Now, if we click here and then select any one name, for example, if we click on Mok, you can see that only the data for that name is showing up. If you uncheck this here and then want to check the data for Rahil and then for Umar, just click OK. And you'll see that the data for Rahil and Umar is now being displayed here. If you want to clear it, just click on clear and all the data will be cleared here. After that, if you want to filter here, if you want to filter by color, as you can see here, we have already applied a filter. After that, when you click here on the filter, you need to go to filter by color. For example, if we click on yellow color here, only the data with yellow color is being shown. And after that, if you want to filter further, here, if you select green, then the data with green color is shown. After that, if you want to display all the data again, just click on clear filter and all the filters will be cleared. You can also remove the filter by clicking on the filter and selecting remove filter. Next, we are going to study text to columns. If you want to present data from a column into separate columns, you use the text to columns command. Here, I am creating a new sheet and increasing its zoom. After increasing the zoom, suppose I type some numbers here like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, if I want to show these numbers in separate columns, what I need to do is first click on this column. After clicking, click on text to columns. Then a dialog box will open in front of you, convert text to columns. After that, you need to click on fixed, then click next. Here in the data preview, you need to click between each number as many times as there are numbers. Then click next, and when you click finish, you will see that all your numbers are now shown in separate columns. Next, we will talk about the flash fill command. We use the flash fill command so that if you have entered any data here, like a first name and a last name, and you want to separate the first and last names, you can do so easily. After this, if there is a date and you want to separate the month and the year from the date, you can separate the data with just a few clicks. So for this, first we write some data here. For example, I typed Kijia here, then I entered Ali Raza here, then I entered Rash Dalikar here, and then I entered Majid Khan here. Once that step is finished, the next thing I'm going to do is enter Anil Kumar into this cell. Then I will type Sajan Kumar and then finally Gopal Das. After completing those, I enter Nadi Fahim right here as well. So in this specific way, I have successfully added several names to our list. Now please double click right here on the header so that the column width becomes automatically adjusted to autofit for us. After that is done, if we decide that we want the first names to be separated into their own column, what exactly will we need to do to make that happen? First of all, I typed Ali here, and as soon as I press enter, see, I have written Ali here. And when I click on flash fill, see, Excel immediately understands that I want to write the first names here. So look, all the first names that appear here like Ali, Rashid, Majid, Anil, Ali, Rashid, Majid. See, Anil and the others have now been separated here. If you enter the last name here, like I've put Raza here, and then you click below and select flash fill, then see, you'll get Ali Raza, Rashi, Dali, Majid Khan, and Anil Kumar. All of them have been added separately. Now, if we right click here and delete this, you'll see that both names have now been separated for us. In the same way, if you have written some dates here, like I've put June 2nd, 2021, and then you click here and drag it, you'll see that the dates are changing for us here. Now, if you want to separate the year like this, you type 2021, and as soon as you use flash fill, 2021 appears. If we type 2 here and use flash fill, all these dates are separated. If we type 6 here, press enter and click on flash fill, then see, all the numbers have appeared here. So in this way, we can also separate data here. In the next command, we are going to learn how we can remove duplicates. So I have written some names here below. Some of these names are repeated twice, like Ali Raza and Kashif. To see their values, you need to select them first. After selecting, go to conditional formatting, then highlight tool and duplicate values. Now you can see that all the duplicate values have been highlighted here. Now if we want to remove the duplicate values from here, select all this data. After selecting, go to data and click on remove duplicates. Here you will see columns A, B, or whichever columns you have, you need to select them. After selecting, as soon as you click OK, you will see that the two duplicate values have both been removed and all the remaining values are unique. So in this way, you can find and remove duplicate values. Next, we are going to read about data validation, how to apply data validation. Here, let's create a new sheet and then zoom in a bit. Suppose I want to write some data here, and data validation is such a topic that I will teach you more advanced steps about it later on. For now, we are just learning the basics of data validation. For example, I have typed something here, and after that, I want to write the price of any item here. I want that the prices of all the items should be between 100 and 200, not less than 100 and not more than 200. We want that if someone enters a value less than 100, the computer should give an error, and if someone enters a value above 200, the computer should also give an error. So for this, we need to select all the cells where we want to add these values. You can even select the entire column. Then click on data validation. As soon as we click on data validation, different options appear here. You have to click on data validation, and the data validation dialog box will open in front of you. Click on settings. After clicking on settings, go to allow and select whole number. After clicking on whole number, choose between, and here set the minimum value to 100 and the maximum value to 200. Then click on error, and after that, if any value is entered that is less than 100 or more than 200, it will show an error. Which error? The stop error will appear. After that, click OK. After clicking OK, let's type here 100, 101, 150, 199, and 200. Now, if we type 201 or 202, the computer will show an error. Similarly, if we type 99.99, the computer will also show an error. If we type 85, the computer will show an error. If we type 4500, the computer will also show an error. If you want to remove this validation, you need to go to Home. After clicking on Home, go to Find, and here, click on Data Validation. The computer will show you that data validation has been applied from here to here. If you want to remove it, then go to Data. After clicking on Data, go to Data Validation, and then click on Clear. After that, click OK. Now, whatever value you type here will be added without any restriction. Automatically, as I type this value here, you can see it is being added here automatically. So this was my lecture for today, in which I taught you how to sort data, how to apply filters, how to use text to columns, how to use flash fill, how to remove duplicates, and how to use data validation. I hope you learned a lot of new things in today's lecture. See you in the next lecture. Until then, goodbye.